Hello viewers, Jean back with more Mars anomalies. Massive square object on Northern Plains chunk heap and more megalithic blocks with knobs. This is the high-rise photograph we'll be analyzing. Phlegra Montes Contact with Northern Plains, acquired on the 28th of March 2014 at 50 centimeters per pixel. Not as high res as I would have liked. This is a crop from the low res JPEG, and these are the so-called junk heaps, or as I'd like to call them, junk heaps. And the first anomaly is right there. Looks like this square object with rounded corners. Perhaps it's a megalithic block, and it seems to be cracked down that line, and it has a smaller dome-like feature on the one side, and there are some more of these megalithic blocks, these smaller knob-like features on them around there. So check that out. Looking at that block in the center, this is up close. It's almost this diamond shape, hexagonal object with a small hole in it perhaps. Looking at that one there. And this one also, it seems to have a little dome-like knob or feature to the one side. Looking at that one there, this one's more of a rectangular block, partially buried, with a small little feature on the one side there. 90-degree angle. And then we're looking at a couple of these blocks in this area. There's a narrow one over here with what looks like a hole perhaps. Another one there. Also perhaps that could be a hole. Maybe these blocks fit together with these knobs and holes. Maybe they're used for alignment, I'm not sure. And there's various other artifacts around here with straight edges and right angles. So it's almost like a junk heap or a debris field. And yeah, we're looking at another grouping of these blocks or megaliths with knobs. Check out these three over here. There's one there in the bottom right hand corner, as well as a couple over here in the bottom left corner. Looks like piping over there, and over here as well. And this one looks like a type of a container perhaps, a rectangular box looking object, partially buried, with this almost like a hexagon shaped object sticking out of it. And it also looks as if there might be a smaller little feature on the top. And this reminds me of another almost square object that I found in an MOC image some time ago in a different area of Mars, located right there. Up close you can also see the straight edges, and there you can see the rounded corner. This one's partially buried, and unfortunately the MOC images are really low res, so can't really extract much more detail from that. Let's quickly have a look at where I found those blocks. in Google Earth Mars. It's located in the northern hemisphere, in this area called Phlegra Montes. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. And then similar anomalies on that white line. There's just one of these that I'm showing you from that area. And I think that's it for this video. In the next video, I'll be looking at more megalithic blocks with knobs. Check out this one. This is in an area 240 kilometers to the southwest, and this block is approximately 15 meters tall. And if you have a look at the one side, it seems to have a knob or feature on it. So straight sides, 90-degree angles, and it does show some signs of erosion. And then to the top right, another one of these broken blocks with a smaller oblong knob or feature on it. So do check out my next video, and if you'd like, please subscribe and remember to turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.